Hello everyone, so today we are going to see how to get rid of dark knuckles naturally at home. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and press on the bell icon so that you could be notified with my recent update. Basically, you should know that what is a knuckle. Knuckle is a joint of a finger where you fold and do movements of a finger. So if we give a less care to the knuckles, it will gradually become dark because it is a very sensitive area and it also has a thin skin over that place. So today we'll see how to get rid of that dark knuckles naturally. Because the skin over your finger joint is usually quite thin and sensitive, and due to some external or internal factor, it easily turn dark and spoil the overall beauty of your pretty fingers and other areas. Overexposure to sun, excessive production of skin melanin, dryness, lack of skin moisture, and severe weather conditions like too cold or too hot environment, or continuous rubbing of friction, and many more conditions are some common causes for this dark knuckles. However, here I am with some home remedies which will restore the fair skin of your fingers. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So our first remedy is lemon juice. Natural skin bleaching properties of lemon juice are excellent in lightening your dark skin tone. Simply take a fresh lemon slice and rub this on your dark fingers. Then continuously massage for few minutes and then leave for about half an hour. Finally, wash it off with fresh water and apply a good moisturizer to prevent skin dryness. The next remedy is lemon and salt scrub. To whiten your dark fingers, you can also make a homemade scrub simply at home. Take a fresh half lemon, then sprinkle some salt over it. Now gently rub this on your dark fingers, then massage it for 3 to 5 minutes, and at last wash it off after 20 minutes. While scrubbing, try to use gentle circular strokes and pay special attention around your dark knuckles. And for best result, repeat this procedure 2 to 3 times per week, and after this scrub, don't forget to apply a good moisturizer. So our next remedy is lemon juice, cucumber and turmeric. So to lighten your dark fingers, take 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and mix with 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice and a pinch of turmeric powder. Apply this mixture on affected areas and massage for 5 to 10 minutes, paying special attention on your knuckles. Then leave it there for 20 minutes and then wash it off with fresh water. So our next remedy is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is also considered very effective in getting rid of dark fingers. Aloe vera gel not only helps in removal of dark spot but also helps to get an even skin tone by improving your overall skin complexion. Take some fresh aloe vera gel and massage your fingers with this gel at least for 5 minutes and then leave it there for 20 to 30 minutes. Finally, wash it off with fresh water. For best results, repeat this twice a day until you get the desired result. And the next remedy is bread slice and milk scrub. An other effective way to whiten your dark finger is by rubbing your fingers and toes also with a bread slice soaked in milk. Take a bread slice and soak in some milk. Now scrub your fingers and toes with this milk soaked bread slice. Continuously scrub for 5 to 10 minutes and pay special attention on your knuckles. Let the milk absorb into your skin for few minutes and then rinse it off by using water. Repeat this on a daily basis and feel the difference even within few days. And our last remedy is orange peel and milk. What you have to do is just take 2 tablespoons of orange peel powder with 2 tablespoons of milk and a tablespoon of rose water.
This one is optional. If you want to skip, then do skip it. Now mix them well to make a thick paste and apply this paste on your dark fingers and leave it there for about 20 minutes. Finally, after drying it out, rinse it off with water. For best result, repeat this at least thrice a week.
If you like this content, give a thumbs up and share it to others. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and keep sharing, keep loving. Take care. Bye bye.